Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone. My name is Aulia Siti Cahyani with ID number A121222133, and today I will talk about the personal academic challenges I face in the English education study program. As a student from an English education study program, of course I have personal academic challenges, and here are some of the main challenges I face. Number one is limited vocabulary. Even though I have studied English for several years, I feel that I have not mastered a large enough vocabulary. This often makes it difficult for me to speak fluently and confidently. And number two is time management. With a busy college schedule and various assignments to complete, I often feel overwhelmed and find it difficult to manage my time effectively. And number three is low learning motivation. There are times when I feel less motivated to learn English, especially when I experience difficulties or feel bored with the same material. Then, to overcome this challenge, I had to take several steps to overcome this challenge, including number one is increased vocabulary. Every day I set aside time to learn new vocabulary. I use language learning apps and read the articles or books in English. Apart from that, I also often watch English videos and films to understand the context in which these words are used. And number two is practice speaking. Before the speaking course, I practice speaking alone or with friends. We often do role plays or discussion in English to improve our speaking skills. And number three is time management. I start making a more structured study schedule. I set specific times for each task and try to be disciplined in following them. Apart from that, I also use the Pomodoro technique, namely choose a task, set a timer, work on the task, take a short break, then repeat. This technique increases my focus and productivity. And for the last one is increase motivation. To maintain motivation, I set clear learning goals and give myself rewards after achieving these goals. I also look for new and interesting ways to learn, such as through educational games or study groups. From the steps I took just now, I saw some positive results. I feel more confident in speaking because I have mastered more vocabulary. This helps me to speak more fluently and express my ideas. Then, with better time management, I was able to complete tasks on time and reduce stress. I also feel more organized in my days. And finally, by setting clear goals and rewarding myself, I feel more motivated to learn. Varied learning methods also help me not to get bored easily and stay enthusiastic in learning English. From this experience, I learned that consistency and discipline are the main keys to overcoming academic challenges. I also realized the importance of taking initiative to improve myself and not hesitating to seek help or resource that can support my learning. So, in conclusion, the experience of overcoming challenges in English education has shaped my academic goals to be clear. I am now more focused and improving my English skills, not only to achieve good grades, but also to prepare myself for a future career. This challenge has taught me the importance of perseverance, time management, and effective study strategies. I believe that by continuously improving myself, I can achieve my academic and professional goals. Never give up trying and struggling because we have parents to be proud of. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.